Hi, welcome to my channel, H.Development Cloud. My name is Hadil, and in this video, we're going to talk about the difference between data analysis and data analytics. With data being the new fuel for businesses that help gain critical insights and enhance business growth, the need to understand the difference between analysis and analytics is very important. However, these words are used interchangeably, but they are significantly different and possess different meanings and importance. If you are looking for a career in the field of data analyst or data science, then the lack of understanding can affect your ability. So let's start understanding the difference. Data analytics is the broad field of using data and tools to make business decisions, while data analysis is a subset of data analytics that includes specific processes. So we can say that data analytics is a science that defines all activities related to data, while data analysis is a process or method with the goal of discovering useful information and supporting decision making. To gain deep understanding of what is the difference between analysis and analytics, let's take an example. This brand, for example. The brand owner analyzes last year's sales data to gain insight into profit trends and sales trends. This analysis of what has happened is basically an in-depth review of the past facts, whereas analytics combines the result from the analysis of last year's sales data with the logical reasoning to predict future sales patterns and design and plan accordingly. So in a very simple words, data analytics have something to do with the future, while data analysis is studying the past facts and performances. In practice, this means the company will employ advanced machine learning tools and algorithms to make the best use of the historical review and predict future sales patterns. A successful data analytics practice should provide a better strategy for where your business can go. Data analytics can help you find trends, uncover opportunities, predict actions, triggers, or events, and make decisions. Processes in data analytics. The data analytics practice encompasses many separate processes which can comprise a data pipeline. Collecting and ingesting the data, categorizing the data, managing the data, storing the data, performing ETL, extract, transform, load, analyzing the data, sharing the data. And this is how data is moved: collect, refine, store, analyze, deliver. Understand data analysis. Consider data analysis one slice of the data analytics pie. Data analysis consists of cleaning, transforming, modeling, and questioning data to find useful information. Types of data analysis: text analysis, statistical analysis, diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. Text analysis, also referred as data mining. Statistical analysis answers what happened. Diagnostic analysis answers why did it happen. Predictive analysis suggests what is likely to happen by utilizing previous data. Prescriptive analysis combines the insight from text, statistical, diagnostic, and predictive analysis to determine the actions to take in order to solve a current problem or influence a decision.